Hey everybody, Scott Burnett here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Hope you're doing well today. Hope you're having a good day. All right, today we're going to talk about my Apple Watch. This is my Apple Watch Series 4 44 millimeter. And the band I've had on it for 2 or 3 months now. And with all the sweating and everything, it's getting kind of dirty and everything. And I don't know if you can wash it or not. But here's the thing. My wife has started buying stuff off TEMU, T-E-M-U, and you know where you get them little orange packages in the mail. And she said, hey, they got an Apple Watch bands for less than $2 on there. And I went, huh? I said, no way. She said, wait, less than $2. So I know these are supposedly cheap Chinese crap, but we're going to try them. I said, grab me a couple, and she did. So I have a blue one and I have a gray one, 2 of my favorite colors, and we're going to try it today. So for less than $2, you can say, no, they're not any good. But I've tried it and pretty good, and especially if you work outside and get dirty and get wet and everything. As you see, it's kind of a stretchy material. It's got Velcro. And I mean, pretty good Velcro too. I mean, it sticks on there pretty good. The little ends are on good. There's no frayed material. So the fit and finish is good for less than $2 a piece. And if you don't like them, just send them back. So what we're going to do, we're going to take my other band off, and you got 2 little push buttons right here. You just push me in your fingernail. I don't have much fingernails, so I'm coming right off. Yeah, I don't have many fingernails, so it's kind of... All right, we'll take that off, and now we'll just come in here and slide this on. And if you put it on backwards the first time, all you have to do is just flip it around. I mean, it's very simple. Just like that. Very adjustable, stretchy, and if you get this one dirty or sweaty, you can either wash it or swap it out. There you have it. That took me, what, 30 seconds? Feels good. Stretchy. I mean, it's not bad. And I mean, the blue one is the same exact thing. You can get them in, there must have been 100 different colors of them, 100 different styles. You can get metal, plastic, rubber, this material right here. Most of them have a little tab that you just pull it right off. Links for these will be in the description. The ones I bought are for 44, 45, and 49 millimeter. This one that I've got on right here will actually go down to a 42 millimeter Apple Watch. And like I said, I have the Series 4 44 millimeter. So yeah, I like it. I'll give it a long-term review. Make sure the Velcro is good and sticky from here on out, but I like it. I don't like a real heavy, jangly metal band on a watch anyway. I would rather have something flexible, lightweight. But yeah, I like that. So, like I said, the links be in the description. So, anyway, that's it for today. We got a quick one, and we'll get you going. So, anyway, if you use one of these bands or a certain band for your Apple Watch, let me know in the comments. But anyway, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell to be notified. And if you're over on Rumble, do the same thing. Anyway, I hope you guys are having a great day and a great week so far. And like I always say, until the next video, thanks for watching. Wonder what I got time to do now.